Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss some of the important questions from the chapter Periodic Classification of Elements. Let's start the discussion. Topics: Important questions and answers, set 4. An atom has electronic configuration 287. What is the atomic number of this element? To which of the following elements would it be chemically similar? Nitrogen, fluorine, phosphorus, argon. The atomic number is given in bracket. In this question, the first question, the electronic configuration is given 287. We need to find the atomic number. If we know the electronic configuration, how we can find the atomic number? Just adding 2 plus 8 plus 7. Atomic number will be 17. 2 plus 8 plus 7, it is 17. The element is chlorine. The electronic configuration is 287. In K shell 2 electron, L shell 8 electron, M shell 7 electron. 2 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 17. Atomic number is 2 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 17. Element is chlorine. Right? Now second question. To which of the following elements would it be chemically similar? Nitrogen, fluorine, phosphorus, argon. We need to find the group number. We know that if the elements are in same group, that elements are going to have the same properties, similar properties. So we are going to find group numbers of all the elements. First we are finding group number of nitrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Electronic configuration is 2,5. Electronic configuration is 2,5. If an atom is having 5 electrons in the outermost shell, what will be the group number? We need to add 10, right? If the number is more than 2, if the number of electrons in the outermost shell, if it is more than 2, 3 onwards, we need to add 10. Then group number will be 15. The group number is 15, 5 plus 10. Next element, fluorine. The atomic number of fluorine is 9. Fluorine is 9. The electron configuration will be 2, 7, right? How many electrons are there in the outermost shell? There are 7 electrons. If the number is more than 2, we need to add 10. Then group number will be 17. Next element, phosphorus. What is the atomic number of phosphorus? 15. The configuration will be 285. How many electrons are there in the outermost shell? There are 5 electrons. 5 electrons means we need to add 10. Then it will be, the group number will be 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Group number is 15. Next element, argon. Atomic number of argon is 18. The configuration will be 288. How many electrons are there in the outermost shell? 8 electrons. 8 electrons means we need to add 10. Then group number will be 10 plus 8 equal to 18. Now we know the group numbers of all the elements, right? Here we have the group numbers of all the elements. Now we are going to find the group number of chlorine. What is the atomic number of chlorine? The element which is given in the question. Chlorine, the atomic number is 17. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. The electronic configuration will be 287. Then what will be the group number of chlorine? Outermost electron. The number of electrons in the outermost shell is 7. Then group number will be 17. If elements are in a same group, that elements are going to have same properties, right? The group number of chlorine is 17. Then the element which is similar to this chlorine will be in group number 17. We need to find the element of group 17 from this list, right? Nitrogen group number 15, fluorine group number 17. Fluorine and chlorine, they are in group number 17, which means they have similar properties. Fluorine will be chemically similar to the element because they are in same group. That is the answer. The position of 3 elements A, B and C in the periodic table are given below. There is a table here. In this table, position of A, B, C is given. First question. State whether A is a metal or non-metal. Question B. State whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A. C. Will C be larger or smaller in size than B? Which type of ion, cation or anion will be found by element A? We can go for the first question. State whether A is metal or non-metal. A. The group number of A is 17, which is given in the table. From this table, we can understand that group number of A is 17. What is the name of that group? The name of that group is halogens. Halogens are non-metals. Then answer is non-metal. A is non-metal. Second one. State whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A. We need to compare A and C. We know that when we are moving down the group, the size of atom is increasing. When we are comparing A and C, C is at the bottom of A, right? So C is having big size, C is having larger size, C is bigger than A. In the case of halogen, when we are moving down the group, the reactivity decrease. Down the group, In the case of halogen, the reactivity is decreasing. So which element will be more reactive? A will be more reactive. In the case of halogen, halogens are non-metal. What is non-metallic character? It is the ability to accept electron. A and C, they are having the ability to accept electron. But when we are going down the group, the size is increasing. Size is increasing means the ability to accept electron is decreasing. When the size is increasing, it is having the ability to donate electron. Larger atom will donate electron. Here, when we are moving down the group, the ability to accept electron is decreasing. That means the non-metallic character is decreasing, reactivity decreasing. Halogens are non-metals. The non-metallic character is decreasing means the reactivity is decreasing. Reactivity decreases down the group in halogens. C is less reactive than A. Question C. Will C is larger or smaller in size than B? B and C. Now we need to compare B and C. Along the period, what is happening to the size of atom? Along the period, the size of atom is decreasing because of increase in power of nucleus. When we are going left to right along a period, the size of atom is decreasing because the power of nucleus is increasing. So which atom is going to have more size, B or C? It is decreasing along the group. C will be smaller atom and B will be larger atom. The question is, will C be larger or smaller in size than B? Which one is smaller? C will be smaller. C is smaller than B. Size of atoms decreases along the period. Next one. Which type of ion, cation or anion will found by the element A? Element A means group 17. Group 17 is having 7 electrons in the outermost shell, right? They have the tendency to accept electron. When an atom is accepting electron, the charge will be negative. Negative means anion. There are 7 electrons in the outermost shell. To complete the octet, there is a requirement of 1 electron. So this 17th group elements are going to accept 1 electron and these elements are going to form anion. A will accept electron to complete octet, so it will form anion. Nitrogen and phosphorus belong to group 15 of the periodic table. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. Which of these will be more electronegative? Why? Nitrogen and phosphorus. Atomic number is given in the bracket. First we can write the electronic configuration. After that we can find the group number and period number. Nitrogen 7 is the atomic number. The electronic configuration is 2, 5. In the outermost shell there are 5 electrons. Then what will be the group number? It will be 15. What will be the period number? There are 2 shells. Period number 2, right? Phosphorus. The electronic configuration is 2, 8, 5. What will be the group number of phosphorus? Outermost shell is having 5 electrons. 5 plus 10, 15 is the group number. Period number will be 3 because there are 3 shells. The period number of nitrogen is 2. Period number of phosphorus is 3. What will be the position of these elements in this periodic table? In this group 15. This is the position of nitrogen, period 2. Period number 2. This is the position of phosphorus, period number 3. What is the question? Which is more electronegative? Down the group, electronegativity is decreasing. So which one is more electronegative? Nitrogen is more electronegative, phosphorus is less electronegative. Which of these will be more electronegative? Why? Nitrogen is more electronegative because down the group electronegativity is decreasing because of increase in size of atom. N is more electronegative because down the group electronegativity is decreasing because of increase in size of atom. How does the electronic configuration of an atom relate to its position in the modern periodic table? If we are getting an element, how we can find the position? First we need to write the electronic configuration and we need to find and we need to count number of electrons in the outermost shell. That will give you group number. The number of shells will give you period number. Using electronic configuration, we can find the group number of the element. Elements of same groups are having same number of valence electrons. Shell number will give the period number. Next one. In the modern periodic table, calcium is surrounded by elements with atomic number 12, 19, 21 and 38. Which of these have physical and chemical properties resembling calcium? This question is related to properties of element. So we need to find the group number. Here we are not able to find the group number of all the elements because for that we need to learn subshell configuration that you are going to learn in class 11th. So here some of the group number I am going to give you directly. In the modern periodic table, first we are finding the group number of calcium. Calcium 20, the electron configuration is 2882. The group number is 2 because outermost shell is having 2 electrons. Now the next element, atomic number 19, electronic configuration is 2881. The group number will be 1 because outermost shell is having 1 electron. Group number 1. Next element, atomic number 12, 282. Outermost shell is having 2 electrons. Group number will be 2. Next element, atomic number 21. Atomic number 21. If the atomic number is 21, the writing electronic configuration and finding group, it's very difficult because we need to use subshell configuration that you are going to learn in the next class, class 11. The element is scandium, group number 3. Next element, 38, atomic number 38, the element is, the electron configuration is 281882, group number 2. In these elements, which elements are having similar properties of calcium? That's the question. Group number of calcium is 2, then we can write all the elements of the same group. The group number of calcium is 2, right? How we can find the elements which are having same properties? Atomic number 12, the group number is 2. Similarly, atomic number 38, group number is 2. So we can conclude that the atomic number 12 and atomic number 38, these elements are similar to calcium. Physical and chemical properties of elements with atomic number 12 and 38 resembles to calcium. Next question. Compare and contrast the arrangement of elements in Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table. Modern periodic table, elements arranged in the increasing order of atomic numbers. Mendeleev's periodic table, elements arranged in the increasing order of atomic masses. In modern periodic table, 18 groups. Mendeleev's periodic table, 8 groups. Modern periodic table, position of isotopes is not a problem. Mendeleev's periodic table, position of isotopes was a problem.